Euro Australian dollar, we got the short here on the video Monday, and I showed you the dark cloud cover. We had all the opportunity to get into the short trade, now falling like a rock, going very well our way. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It is Wednesday, 26 June 2024. Today I will be trading long US, Aussie and CAD, and short on the Euro, the Yen and the New Zealand. Let's start off with the dollar index, bouncing a little bit yesterday, but a high wave candle showing us a little bit of unsure. They're not sure, do they want to go up, do they want to come down, but everything bullish. Short-term bullish, medium, long-term, and intraday bullish. I will stay long on the dollar for today for sure. Gold having some pressure, obviously. On a strong dollar, it's pushing down gold. If you look at the 4-hour charts, I showed you this rising trend line yesterday. Also under pressure, definitely under pressure. And you can see here how the market rejects those highs after breaking below on the 4-hour charts. So definitely setting up for shorting. I won't short, that's not my style. You can see the daily charts also now busy going below, so a close below that would be quite detrimental to gold. Now we can do that and say, right, we've got a flag pattern, but this could bring gold down to this area here. So if this could come down here, for argument's sake, we can look at almost $100 drop if that keeps going down before another break of the page. Well, that'll be gold at a discount, but painful for any long positions you hold. Bitcoin, all the crypto space, bounced yesterday nicely off the support levels. I wish I could say that this is buying opportunities, but with the trend being bearish, I'm worried to buy. This could just be profit taking on some shorts, on some bears, and this could keep continuing down the page. For me, this falling trend line needs to break out, and then a good retest, and then some form of a support coming in. Then I will be saying, all right, you know what, it's confirmed. But in a free fall like this, one little bounce here on a daily chart doesn't change the trend. So for now, I'm still holding on to my long-term positions. I'll never close them unless I hit some targets. But other than that, I'm not going to add to this. I'm not going to buy. We've got the retest. Yes, I know. We've got the retest bouncing off the lateral support, the head and shoulders neckline, which is a bit old. So there's a lot of levels coming together. So it's obvious that we should see a bounce here. But the bearish trend, that worries me. Euro Australian dollar, we got the short here on the video Monday. I showed you the dark cloud cover. We had all the opportunity to get into the short trade. Now falling like a rock, going very well our way. I've set on yesterday's video some targets for you. So if you want to make sure how to get to the targets, please watch yesterday's video. Remember now, we're approaching that round level. So if you want to lift your target slightly on the 1.27, you're 100% fine with that. The stop loss on this trade is about 60 odd, and that's a 120. So if you lift it slightly, no problem. Close half the position and close another half of the position. So well done, guys. Very nice trade. Euro very weak. Aussie, all the sparkles. So we're looking good. Aussie everywhere running like crazy. So I think this could drop even further. But I've got my targets loaded, and I'll take some profits there. And the Euro CAD, we got this bearish engulfing also now very nicely. I just want to go back to the Euro Australian dollar. At least get your stops to entry. Right, make sure you don't lose money. I also marked this support level as a first target. Right, so you've got 1, 2, 3 targets taken. So you've got the first target. It's now for the second and the third target. But don't lose money on this trade. Take something off the table, pull stop to entry, and sit back and enjoy the ride. Getting back to the Euro CAD, we got the short. Now with a new low. We haven't got to any form of targets yet. I haven't worked on them. So let me show you here from there to there. That's the last directional swing we've got. And we're going to look at the targets here. Right there, 1.27 and 1.618 Fibonacci's. That should be the area to look for targets. If I scroll back into the history, we find a little bit of support there. It's not clear cut. So I'll stick to the Fibonacci's at this stage. What you can do, however, is a very strong level, is to say, I'm going to take it off. Yeah, that's good. It's not at a Fib level, but it's a very strong resistance, support level here. So that could be a natural place to take off some profits. But that's 3 levels that you can use. Make sure you get a risk reward of at least 1 to 1.5. The 1.27 is not that great because you got about a 70 pip stop loss, and that's about 70. All right, so this is the one, almost 100, and then 120, which gives us 1 to 1.5 to 1 to 2 risk reward. So that's good. With a new low here, now get stop to entry. You don't want to lose money now anymore. All right, don't lose money on this trade. Just get your stop to entry, sit back, and hope to get some targets. Split your trades always in a couple of small ones, or smaller ones for that matter, and take your different targets. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Pound Aussie, not that lucky. We got this short here, gave it to you Monday morning also, and was playing with that stop, and then hit my full stop loss, so I lost money here. Right, unfortunately, sorry guys for that one. This one did not play out, or that was a good setup. There was nothing wrong with the setup. Now it's coming down after hitting my stop loss. It's the biggest nightmare for most traders. It's just one of those things. It happens, and nothing else we can do about that. In the Swiss yen making consolidation. Swiss much stronger than the yen. Yen bottom of the pile. Swiss definitely neutral, bearish. So you can see how they flash around there. So I would like to see a breakout, a retest, and a counter reversal. Other than that, a retest of the 61% fib level. If I can get a retracement here and a nice strong counter reversal, I'll then consider some longs. US yen, beautiful run up the page. On our mentoring group, we've been long since here. We've got a final target just above those highs, so it looks very, very good at this stage. If it retraces back to the level I showed you yesterday, the 61% fib level here, right at structure, that'll be good for longs, but I really wish it just break up and hit all my targets. But in the event that it does come down, we will have a look here for some longs. Aussie Swiss, nice breakout run. Nice bottom reversal here. Trend just started. Swing up the page. Aussie got all the sparkle. You can see it's got all the sparkle. Swiss fading was up there yesterday. Now fading to neutral and also flashing red, swapping around with the New Zealand. So on a retracement back to this 50-61% right at market structure here, I'm going to look for some longs. I want to be long, but I'm not going to buy up there. There's no chance. Aussie New Zealand also flying up nicely. Aussie all the sparkle, New Zealand battling here with the red zones. But this last swing, retest of the structure here at 50% level. If it gets down there today and it gives me a counter reversal, I'll then take some longs. Then the CAD Swiss. CAD Swiss, CAD green zone, Swiss red zone, well, flashing up and down there. But I'm after the long on the CAD. So a retracement back to the support level. I've marked this last directional swing here. Back to 50% is right at structure here. You can see the support levels coming in there. So if I'm lucky enough that it comes down, retest, counter reversal, I'll then consider some longs. Brand new trend coming up, so I've got high hopes for this trade. In the pound yen, well, neutral zone. Yen, bottom of the pile, so I want to be short yen. Taking a long here will give me that short. Nice directional swing, retracement back to market structure here, right at 50%. That's the area I'm going to look for some longs. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risks. Don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.